In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add JavaScript to Google Sites. If you want to bring a bit of interactivity to your site, like simple animations, custom messages, or lightweight widgets, Google Sites gives you a straightforward way to embed code. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share some practical tips so your script behaves as expected. Start by opening Google Sites and editing the page where you want the JavaScript to appear. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can add new content to the page layout. Pick the section or placeholder that makes sense for your script, usually an area where an embedded block won't disrupt your text or images. On the right-hand panel, click Insert. This is where you'll find the tools for adding content. You'll see options for text, images, and layout. But for custom code, we want the Embed feature. Choose Embed, then select Embed Code. You'll notice there are two tabs, one for a URL and one for code. Stay on the Embed Code tab. This is the place to paste your snippet. Paste your JavaScript inside standard. Keep your snippet clean and self-contained, and avoid referencing local files that aren't publicly accessible. If your code depends on other libraries, make sure those are loaded via secure, publicly available URLs. It's also a good idea to keep functions and variables namespaced to avoid conflicts, and to run code after the page loads. Using a DOM content loaded listener can help prevent timing issues. Click Next to let Google Sites process a preview. If everything looks good, click Insert. Your code will appear as an embedded block on the page. You can drag to reposition it, resize the frame, or align it so it fits naturally with your layout. Use the built-in preview button at the top to test how it behaves for visitors before publishing. A few notes to ensure smooth results. Google Sites may restrict certain scripts or advanced features for security reasons, so keep your code simple and safe. Always use HTTPS links for any external resources. If something doesn't run, first check your browser console in preview mode for errors and verify that any external assets are reachable. Finally, publish your site and test it on a fresh browser session to confirm everything works for real visitors. That's it. Your JavaScript is now embedded in Google Sites. Thanks for watching and happy building.